The PlayStation 4 is a home video game console developed by Sony Computer Entertainment. It was announced as a successor to the PlayStation 3 in February 2013 and launched in North America on November 15, 2013. The PlayStation 4 is a console of the 8th generation. It competes with Microsoft's Xbox One and Nintendo's Wii U and Switch. Moving away from the more complex cell microarchitecture of its predecessor, the console features an AMD accelerated processing unit built upon x86-64 architecture, which can theoretically peak at 1.84 teraflops. AMD stated that it was the most powerful APU it had developed to date. The PlayStation 4 places an increased emphasis on social media interaction and integration with other devices and services, including the ability to play games off console on PlayStation Vita and other supported devices, also known as Remote Play. The console's controller was also redesigned and improved over the PlayStation 3, with improved buttons and analog sticks, and an integrated touchpad among other changes. The console also supports HDR10, high dynamic range video, and a playback of 4K resolution multimedia. The PlayStation 4 uses an accelerated processing unit developed by AMD in cooperation with Sony. It combines a central processing unit and graphics processing unit, as well as other components such as a memory controller and a video decoder. The CPU consists of two 28nm quad-core Jaguar modules, totaling 8 x86 64 cores, 7 of which are available for game developers to use. The GPU consists of 18 compute units to produce a theoretical peak performance of 1.84 teraflops. The system's GDDR5 memory is capable of running at a maximum clock frequency of 2.75 GHz and has a maximum memory bandwidth of 176 GB. The console contains 8 GB of GDDR5 memory, 16 times the amount of RAM found in the PS3, and is expected to give the console considerable longevity. It also includes secondary custom chips that handle tasks associated with downloading, uploading, and social gameplay. These tasks can be handled seamlessly in the background during gameplay or while the system is in sleep mode. The console also contains an audio module, which can support in-game chat as well as a very large number of audio streams for use in-game. All PlayStation 4 models support HDR color profiles. Go to the link below and get it now only for $480.